What is up, guys? How are you doing? Today we're going to be going over another video on how to get Discord Nitro for free. If you want to check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel and they'll be under my channel. There's 2 other videos on how to do this. On this one, we are going to be focusing on the Discord Partner Program, as you can see. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and join the Discord. And if you join the Discord and subscribe, then you can fill out a form, and you could be shouted out in the next video. So, all about the Discord Partner Program. So basically how this works is if you apply to the Discord Partner Program and you get into the Discord Partner Program, then you're going to get your own server URL, like it says here. You're going to get a banner, you're going to get invite splash, you're going to get one of the things over here, like it says, Discord Nitro. And then you get a bunch of other rewards, perks, badges, stuff like that. So just a quick video on how to do that. So that is one way to do it. Just go to discord.com/partners. That is one way, and then we're going to cut to the other way right now. Now, the other way to do it is going to discord.com/jobs. So you might think, well, why would you want to work at Discord? Because you just earn money, but that's not really getting Discord Nitro. Well, if you work at Discord, then one, Discord, if you don't know, is a super nice community. But 2, they will also give you special perks in Discord that include Discord Nitro. So that's one of the things too. There's a bunch of different things you can do, but this one is more work than the partner program, but it still works. So that's another way. Just a quick video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to smile.